This is the patient of varicose veins, and this is primary varicosity below left knee joint. Varicose veins is a problem of heavy weight lifter patients. Because of this, mostly the patient complains of aching pain in the lower leg or the lower limb below knee sometimes, or in the whole leg. And these are the cases which basically found the tortuous and dilated veins because of the collected blood inside the valve of the veins, and the valves are incompetent in this the venous channel. To be very first, we examine the lower portion of the vein, and for this we examine great saphenous vein and the short saphenous. The course of short saphenous is posteriorly to the calf area, and the great saphenous is anteriorly. So there are multiple perforators, which are the basically communicating veins of the superficial and deep venous plexus or deep veins. So on the communicating veins, these are the communicating channels, these are perforators. After this, we can examine above knee. When we uplift the leg, and before making this video, we already milking the veins, so the tortuous and dilated veins are disappeared right now. Okay, right now we are tying the tourniquet, that is called the Brody-Trendelenburg test, BT test, which we can examine in this case. And tourniquet is applied at mid thigh region. This is mid thigh. On OPD basis, we also use this gloves. This is rubber gloves. Then we examine it in the standing position. We can check the blood is filled or not below the tourniquet, because below the tourniquet and above the tourniquet is the main key to examine the dilation or tortuosity. And we can examine, we can see there is a filling of defect, there is a filling of vessels below knee, and tourniquet is already applied. So when we remove this, right now we remove this tourniquet, and we can see there is a pooling of blood inside the vessels. This is a venous incompetent area. These are the perforators, and these perforators are the communication between the superficial and deep venous chain. So these are the perforators, and the name of the perforator, that is Cockett's area. These are three areas. Then the Boyd's perforator, and in this area there is a Hunterian perforator. So we can also examine this by the help of color Doppler reports. Color Doppler is specific mentioned this varicosity with the perforators and the dilation, and also the anatomical location of the perforator. So in Ayurveda, we can apply leech therapy for this patient after the color Doppler report. We also give him the calf compression. This is calf compression. इसके लिए एक स्टॉकिंग्स आती हैं, वो दी जाती हैं, और calf compression से भी इसमें जो भी कलेक्टेड ब्लड है वो फिर इकट्ठा नहीं होता. उसके अलावा निडल प्रिक करके ब्लड लेट डाउन कराना, दैट इज सिरावेद, दैट इज पंक्चर थेरेपी. ओके, ब्लड लेटिंग, ये भी एक प्रोसीजर है. और एक श्रृंगी चिकित्सा भी आजकल कराई जाती है, श्रृंग चिकित्सा, वो भी हम यहाँ पर आयुर्वेदा में ये इन पेशेंट्स के लिए कराते हैं. तो अभी हम इनके ब्लड इन्वेस्टिगेशन कराएंगे, और इनको एडवाइस करेंगे कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा खड़े ना रहें, और क्योंकि ये खड़े रहने पे पूरा चैनल ब्लॉक होता है और पेशेंट का पूरा बॉडी वेट की वजह से ब्लड इसमें भरा रहता है. तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट वेरिकोज वेन्स एग्जामिनेशन एंड फर्दर मैनेजमेंट. So this is the color Doppler report of the patient varicose vein. This is not so clear. With the color Doppler, there is a reflux seen in the lumen of the vein, and it is already mentioned in the left great saphenous vein territory. Okay. Also, we can check the reflux in the incompetent channel of the perforator, or in the report also it is already mentioned that is the incompetence of the saphenofemoral junction with reflux or reversal flow on straining or on standing position. So this is the Valsalva maneuver for the color Doppler, and it is a problem of the saphenofemoral junction incompetency and the great saphenous vein territory, which arise due to the perforating channels. This is color Doppler of varicose veins.